Okay, so after you've let your cup sit for about 5 minutes, you'll see that the stuff that was formed will fall to the bottom, and I'm gonna show you how to decant this. So I'm gonna carefully set this here for a minute. The first thing you need to do is get yourself a weigh boat. This is a weigh boat, and this is the filter paper. It's kind of thick, and we're gonna record the mass of the weigh boat and the filter paper. Okay, so make sure you write that down. This is kind of flipped the other way, so I'm gonna flip it like this. And then you're gonna decant, I'll show you how to do this, just the liquid product into the filter paper in the weigh boat. Okay, so you're gonna put this in here. Basically, you're trying to not get that product, that kind of red product, to fall into there as little as possible. And then it says that you're even going to rinse this a couple times. So you can rinse it, and again, let it settle, and then decant it. Mine's kind of staying at the top, so I was going to wait. You'll see here I did get a little bit of the product in there. That's okay. If you want to try to pick any out with the forceps, you know, you can. It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not going to be a perfect process. But we're trying to separate the liquid from the solid. So the next part is going to be, we've got to get the nail. So the nail also has this product on it, and it wants the nail in a paper cup. Before I put it in the paper cup, I might want to weigh the paper cup, or it doesn't actually say to do that, so apparently we can pick up the nail later. But I'm going to scrape that product off with whatever I've got in this white thing here, whatever my teacher left for me. Try to get as much of it off as possible. And you can see there's actually some other stuff in there. And then I'm going to put that in the plastic cup. So from here, after you kind of scrape it, you can rinse with a small amount of distilled water. Make sure you've got everything off of here. And we'll talk about everything that's coming off of all of this, all the product that we find. You're gonna place that into there. And then the last directions is to make sure you wash off the forceps. Okay, so make sure those are good and clean, because these will react with whatever's in there. And so once you're done here, you should have a paper cup with a nail. You should have the weigh boat with the filter paper and liquid. We're gonna let that dry over the weekend. And then you should still have your plastic cup with as little liquid as possible. Mine's got kind of a lot. I just wanted to go kind of quickly for you. And then we're gonna let this all dry over the long weekend.